I used to hate radishes, and most every other kind of vegetable for that matter, until I started doing some research into the health benefits of radishes and other raw fruits and vegetables. But radishes in particular, having such a deep red-purple color, have many nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that aren't found in other places. Radishes are one of the few edible roots in the world, but was actually first farmed actively in Europe before 0 AD. Now they are grown and farmed all throughout the world. Radish, in modern days, has become more of a general term, since we now regularly see many different forms of radishes. There are different types of radishes for each of the 4 seasons. Their colors range from white to pink to deep reddish purple and anything in between. Though there are a lot of different kinds of radishes, the common summer radish variety that you see in most grocery stores are some of the best and healthiest. 1. Detox. I've written a few different articles on the value of detoxification in the human body, and radishes are a very good detox vegetable. Especially for those who need to cleanse their livers, radishes promote healthy liver cleansing and function. 2. Fiber. Radishes are very high in roughage, or fiber. This has multiple benefits. First, it gives you a great dose of your daily fiber, which most people are greatly deficient in. Secondly, it fills the stomach up with indigestible plant matter, helping to give a boost toward weight loss. This generally means that you have to eat the radishes instead of juicing them. However, when you juice them, a lot of the fiber is removed. 3. Promotes healthy skin. Radishes contain many natural vitamins and minerals which are healthy for the skin. Some include vitamin C, zinc, some phosphorus, and some vitamin B complex. It even has been shown to help relieve certain skin diseases. 4. Has unique vitamins, minerals, and nutrients on the color wheel. Like my mom always told me, when eating vegetables, it's important to have a rainbow of colors on your plate. Colors in vegetables are a good measure of some of the vitamins and minerals present in high abundance. Radishes, especially the deep reddish, purple summer radishes, are fairly unique in color. They contain vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that most other vegetables don't. Radishes are easy to grow. Being that they're a root, not much can get to them to hurt them. But that still doesn't answer the question of why you should grow your own when you can easily buy them in the store. In the modern world of corporate farming, numerous studies have shown that a lot of our foods have lost their nutrition value of vitamins and minerals. That's because corporate farms only replenish the soil just enough to get the crops to grow again the next year. They don't replenish the soil with the full range of fertilizers that plants need in order to have all the vitamins and minerals they can. If you really want to get the right health benefits of radishes, you really ought to consider buying some seeds and growing your own. Then you can control the soil and the conditions set for their growth. And as was stated earlier, different varieties of radish can be grown all year long. They're easy and very healthy. Best of luck!